Okay guys, this is everything you need to make your immunity shots. So you need turmeric, honey, blender, your little shots glasses. These are plastic, which I might get glass, but as of now, I'm just gonna stick to the plastic one. A lemon, an orange. You need a funnel, and this is like a strainer, and then water, and then that's it. So I'm gonna show you how I get my ginger shots. Let's go. I forgot to mention you need ginger. All right, so this is everything. You can squeeze this in your blender. I can squeeze it, but I think I'm just gonna cut around it. And you can also just put like this whole peel in there, because that's why you're gonna strain it, unless you want to like cut around it, which I'm gonna see if I can. Then I'm gonna put turmeric. Honey. So I'm all done. So I have 3. I take 1 every morning. And then when I'm finished, then I'll make 3 more and so forth. Okay guys, so this is basically my cheese drawer. So I just gotta wipe it down and just clean it up. I have to add the string cheese in this container. I think I got the, oh yeah, from the Home Edit. I want to get another one of these. I only have 2. Oh my god, I hit my fridge. I only have 2 of these, and I normally put string cheese on one and the kids' yogurt on the other. And then the rest is like free-for-all, whatever I end up getting. So I just want to organize this, wipe it down, and then put the string cheese in there. So let's get into cleaning. Okay, so it's all done, nice and neat. Okay, so I removed my little tray because I'm cleaning my inside of my fridge little by little. So we just did the cheese drawer. Now this is my potato drawer, but I just Googled you don't need to keep your potatoes in the freezer. So you don't need to keep your potatoes in the fridge. So I'm gonna take them out, put them in the bowl so I can have space. I wanna put in here my oranges. I know that doesn't need, but I don't really have space to leave bowls of fruit and all this stuff out in the open. So the only thing that's out is right now is bananas. I'm gonna take the potatoes out, put them in the bowl, and I'm gonna put my orange and my lemon in here. And then the other drawer, we'll take it out and organize that. So radishes needs to be in the fridge. Garlic doesn't really need to be in the fridge, but again, I don't really have nowhere I could keep it. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna take these out, put them in the bowl, and then wipe this down, clean this out, and it'll look like a brand new tray. This one, I don't know if I should keep it or not with that happening. I'll see. All right, I'm gonna throw this in the garbage. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna leave it like that. Is that? I'm just gonna leave it like this. So that's one. All right, so this is my other drawer. This, I have a whole bunch of random stuff. So I have spinach. I have this chopped kale salad, mini cucumbers, mushrooms that are buried down there that I have to hurry up and use, green pepper, I have red onion and white onion, extra bags again, crisp carrots, no one's doing this, and 3 onions. All right, let's empty this out. So I'm gonna put my that's mushrooms, I gotta use it, green pepper, carrots, cucumber. This is heavy. All right. Let's see. So I'm gonna keep these radishes here. These are the 3 things that are open that I need to well, everything's open. So I'm gonna leave it there. This is open, so I have to use this up also. So I'll leave this here. Now, onions that are not open do not need, so I'm gonna take them out. And garlic does not also, so I'm gonna leave that out. So this is how it's gonna look for now. That way I can give the kids a cucumber every day. See how big they are? So this is the drawer final look. So much better organized. I can see everything now. And oh yeah, this is really good. I got this from Sam's Club. I think Costco also sells something similar like this, but this is really good. I actually had some last night for dinner with the dressing, and I had it with the cranberries and the little seeds, and it actually tastes really good. So that was good. Instead of getting like a big bag of kale like by itself, I prefer like this. And this was only like $2.70 something. These are the drawers that are always getting out of hands and crazy when I'm food shopping and then I don't have time to put everything away. So yeah, so now everything's nice and organized. Okay guys, so I'm done. I'm gonna put everything away now.